Good evening, sir. I am Cadet Manan Sharma, and this is our banking application, which is basically to handle the banking servers and all. So, first of all, I'll tell you what we have used. So, first of all, I have made a server in this, I have made a database in it, and we have a client file in it, which will interact with the user. So, first of all, I'll take the charge to Vanshwich.
Good evening, sir. I am Cadet Vanshwich, and as Manan said, this is our banking app application. So the work done in this project by me is the designing of the backend JSON, in which all the account details, the storage of the account detail is saved, and the things which are processed, they are stored. The rest of the work is done by my team.
Good afternoon, sir. I carried Ritesh Aklani. Sir, as my friends told you the project. So my work was to make the half of the client file of this server, and half of it is made by me, and it is basically the project GUI. Next, I have
Sir, I am Cadet Abhin Chauhan and I have made the server for this project, as you can see, sir. Myself, Cadet Supreme Model. I have completed the client file and designed these files.
Okay, so let's move on the code and watch how it basically works. So this is our client file, which basically imports the server. And first of all, let's look over the server. So in the server, we have different methods and functions to load the data, save data, create account, check balance, deposit and withdraw, and many more. So we are basically working on the bank data.json. This is basically the storage of the bank, which basically contains the details of the users with their balance. Now we can see that in this code we have made the server, and the client file is basically directly interacting with the server file to get the data and all from the bank data.json. So first of all, let's see its execution. So here we'll load that Python file, that is client.python. Now here we can see we have got the interface, welcome to banking application, and we have got different options like to create account, check balance, deposit money, withdraw money, and many more. So first of all, we'll create a new account. I'll create the username with Horizon. The initial balance for Horizon will be, let's take it as 500. Now first of all, what we'll do, we'll directly withdraw some money from here. To withdraw money from Horizon account, the amount to be withdrawn is 200. So you can see that 200 withdrawn from Horizon's account here. And now let's check out the balance of Horizon's account. So Horizon. So now you can see that it's 300 over here. That is 500 minus 200. It is 300 now. And we can also deposit the money by entering the 3 number Horizon. To amount to be deposited is just 700. 700 deposit to Horizon's account. We'll check the balance again for Horizon account. We can see it's 1000 now. So this is our basically banking application, and it may help the banks to secure their data and work with the data ending and all. With this, we thank you all.
At last, I would give my heartiest thanks to our PMKY sir, Mr. Sandeep Chaudhary, to